All right, we're in Copenhagen, Denmark. There's a big plaza behind me where the shuttle bus drops us off and picks us up. This is called the Nyhavn Canal. It's not pronounced that, of course, but we're going to take a stroll down and back so you can enjoy the fun of it. And I'm probably not going to talk a lot because you probably won't hear me anyway. I'm going to go down here, and now I'm going back up. So, as you can see, it's a bunch of sidewalk cafes, and I mean a bunch of them, and really brightly colored houses, which I heard were brightly colored so that the sailors could see them from sea, but I don't know how they'd see them from sea because there's other buildings on the other side, but maybe they weren't there at one time. Of course, we got some big sailboats, yachts, whatever, in the canal. Nyhavn, see, that's New Haven. Herring, I think that's a fish, but I don't know, maybe it's somebody's last name. Tuborg. Churros are big here for some reason. I take that back. Churros are popular here, but they're very small, almost like a big French fry. We've gone about halfway maybe. There's a little bridge across down here. I think we'll cross it and walk back on the other side. I don't know. As you can see, there's not very many people on the other side. Yeah. This is the side where the action is. For whatever reason. Maybe because it's the sunny side? The guy playing guitar up here and singing.
Dinner.
Everybody's seeing everybody and wants to be seen. That's the end of it, right up where 71 is. You probably can't see that. I can. Look close and you see some menus. Yes. Go for a guy. So, that was a little stroll along the Nyhavn Canal in Copenhagen, Denmark. It does go down a little further there, but that's probably enough for us today.